Welcome to Help Screen, and if you want to change the Google language settings to English, first thing is open up a web browser and log in into your account. As you can see, my current browser is on a different language. So from here, you can just simply select this profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you should be able to see here this blue text. So click on this blue text over here. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here this person with a card. So just simply click on this second tab over here. And now here on the second tab, you could just simply scroll down to the very bottom or scroll down a little bit until you see this icon over here with a toolbox with a bunch of tools. So now you should be able to see here this icon where it is a globe. So click on this globe over here. And now from here, guys, you should be able to see this icon over here. So click on the plus icon, or if you have English over here, you can just simply click on this and it will return back to the English. But if you don't have one, you can just simply click on this one and you can just simply search over here, English, and click on it. And from here, you should be able to select United States over here and click on I save. And after that, you should have this pop-up window over here and you can click on this one. So guys, I could link the description as well. So guys, I will put the URL on the description as well. So you could just simply click on it and it will redirect you here to the language tab as well. And I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.